settle.
Clement Musumba coming to us from Nyeri County. Now, Maurice Ogeta, the bodyguard of Azimio la Umoja leader Raila Odinga, has been freed according to Philip Etale. Etale is the Orange Democratic Communications Director, while Odinga is ODM's party leader. Through his Twitter account, Etale claimed that Ogeta was moved from where he was being held and transported to Kangundo Road, where he was dumped. And we quote, Maurice Ogeta, the bodyguard of Raila Odinga, was released from police custody a few minutes to 1 a.m. and driven while blindfolded and left in the middle of road in Ruai towards Kangundo, tweeted Etale. Now his car is vandalized. Now, however, he is happy to be alive but still distraught and in shock. That is statement by ODM Communications Chairperson Philip Etale. Now, the Azimio coalition has suffered a blow after its coordinator in Nakuru County ditched the position